morning and welcome to formal opening of the A321neo of the Cebu Pacific Airlines. And this is really what you call historic in the sense that this is a new plane with a new engine, and we have already ridden this plane. It's really beautiful, it's powerful, and yes, it's also very efficient when it comes to fuel saving. So this is something that Cebu Pacific is really proud of.
Today, we are celebrating a landmark. The original A320 has been the backbone of Cebu Pacific for the last 15 years. And we are very, very glad to see the A321neo entering the service of Cebu Pacific. This is the first, as you mentioned just before, the first of 32 A321neo that you have on order. It's the perfect springboard for the next phase of an impressive expansion of Cebu Pacific's domestic and regional network. This aircraft combines the lowest operating cost with the highest standard of passenger comfort, and we've just seen the cabin right a few minutes ago, and I think everyone will be very keen to go and fly the aircraft and enjoy the comfort of this and the silence also of this new cabin.
Thank you for inviting me to participate in this event, and as I said, just a few words to say it's a great pleasure for me to take part in today's celebration of the delivery of the first Airbus A321neo to Cebu Pacific. It's part of an order, as it was said before, of 32 aircraft placed by Cebu Pacific with the European manufacturer. These fuel-efficient airplanes of new generation will contribute to the fleet expansion and modernization of Cebu Pacific.
For 32 A321neos is one of the largest among Southeast Asian carriers. We are pleased to announce that the first of our 32-unit order has arrived and has already entered into service. Therefore, our average fleet age as of January 30, 2019 remains at 5 years and 2 weeks, still one of the youngest in the world. The new aircraft arrived at an opportune time as demand from passengers continues to outpace terminal capacity or slot capacity. The A321neo offers 236 seats, or that's 56 more seats or 31% more capacity using the same slot versus the Airbus A320.